Is the EXCaliberPC 2026 MSI Stealth 18 worth your money? Or are there better options available? The EXCaliberPC 2026 MSI Stealth 18 is a high-end gaming laptop that promises to deliver exceptional performance and features. As we dive into our review, let's take a closer look at its key specifications. This system boasts an impressive display with the 18-inch UHD Plus 3840 by 2400 120Hz Mini LED HDR 1000, providing crystal-clear visuals and fast response times. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 graphics card takes care of demanding games, while the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor ensures smooth multitasking. The system's memory is upgraded to 96GB, 2x48GB, DDR5 5600 MHz, making it suitable for heavy content creators and gamers. The 2TB Samsung 990 Pro NVMe SSD provides blazing fast storage speeds, while the killer E3100G LAN and Wi-Fi 7B 1750 ensure stable internet connectivity. Now, let's talk about design and build quality. The MSI Stealth 18 features a sleek and durable aluminum chassis with a premium finish. The system's weight is around 5.4 pounds, making it manageable for daily use. The display quality of the EXCaliberPC 2026 MSI Stealth 18 is exceptional, offering true-to-life colors and deep blacks. However, some users may notice a slight backlight bleed. The keyboard and touchpad are also well-designed, providing a comfortable typing experience. In terms of performance, this system delivers impressive results in everyday use. The Intel Core Ultra 9 processor handles demanding tasks with ease, while the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 graphics card ensures smooth gaming performance. However, some users may notice a slight delay in response times due to the high refresh rate display. The EXCaliberPC 2026 MSI Stealth 18 also features a range of connectivity options, including Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, and HDMI 2.1. The system's cooling system is also noteworthy, providing effective heat dissipation even during intense gaming sessions. Main advantages of the EXCaliberPC 2026 MSI Stealth 18 include its exceptional performance, impressive display quality, and robust build quality. However, some users may find it expensive compared to other high-end gaming laptops on the market. Limitations of the system include the relatively short battery life, which can last around 4 to 6 hours in moderate use. Additionally, the system's cooling system can be a bit noisy during intense gaming sessions. In conclusion, the EXCaliberPC 2026 MSI Stealth 18 is an excellent choice for gamers and content creators who require high-performance capabilities. While it may come with a higher price tag, its exceptional features and build quality make it well worth considering. You can check the latest price and availability using the links in the description.